Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about all these Lyft drivers quitting. Lyft drivers are quitting left and right. It's absolutely insane. But before we get started, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will have a link in the description and the @ will be somewhere on the screen. Also, if your gig app account gets deactivated, we have a solution for you. There's this awesome website called the Reactivation Center, and they've already helped quite a few people get their accounts reactivated, whether you do Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, Postmates, Amazon Flex, Shift, TaskRabbit. They have a lot of services to get your account reactivated, so you can check that out in the description. If you use the link there, you can actually get a discount on your reactivation. Alright, so let's get started in the video. So Lyft drivers are quitting, and I'm sure you can already imagine why. The gas prices are absolutely crazy. I know we talk about this on the channel a lot, but the gas prices are really at an all-time high, and it's really hard to not talk about it. And being a Lyft driver, you literally need gas to be able to do your job, because you're going to be in your car driving all day. So this is why it's so important, and this is why I think Lyft needs to do more to be able to help accommodate for their drivers rather than doing whatever they're doing right now, which is, I think they implemented a very small gas surcharge, which is maybe 45 cents per ride. Correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know the exact numbers, but it's something really low, and you know, at least it is something that could help a little bit potentially, but I really don't think it's enough to help as much as the drivers need. What's crazy about this is that Lyft drivers are starting to find that it's not even worth it to drive for Lyft anymore, because a lot of these drivers are taking home half of what they're getting, because half of their income goes towards gas, and for some people it might be even a little bit more, which is absolutely insane. I know that in Los Angeles, gas has been going up to close to $8 a gallon. It makes Lyft driving not very affordable, and it's just super inconvenient. So unless you have a hybrid vehicle or an electric vehicle, it's going to be really hard on you to see that most of your hard-earned money is going towards gas, which is a necessity you need to do your job. Also, Lyft stocks have completely plummeted. They're not doing very well at all. It literally went from $60 to $15 within a year. So that should already tell you enough about Lyft and how they're doing. A lot of people are saying that it's not worth it to invest in their stocks right now because it's super risky. They seem very inconsistent, and it doesn't seem like they're making the changes necessary in order to be a more successful company that's not going to leave a bunch of people upset. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you're already a Lyft driver, can you see why people are quitting? Are you wanting to quit? What changes do you want to see from Lyft to be able to make it a more enjoyable experience driving for them, and just make it more worth it for you? Let me know down in the comments. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Anyways guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.